Hello everyone. This video will show Freedom Solar Power desktop users how to use the file and folder system in Project Sunrise, including how to add a new folder, uploading, renaming, deleting files, and using the photo gallery. After you log into Project Sunrise, search for your project ID in the home screen using the global search field at the top of the page. Click on your project's customer name. Look for the Tasks and Files section on the right side of the page, then click Files. Click the gallery icon that looks like 4 squares. In the gallery view, you can see a preview of any file that is in that folder. If you want to view the file in a separate tab or window, click the name of the file to open in a new tab or window. You can zoom in on a page, scroll down to see all pages. Close the tab or window to get back to your project. To go back to the previous folder, click the 2 dots before the folder name to go up 1 level. Next, we'll show you how to upload files and create folders. We'll go into the installation folder. Before we upload files, first let's create a folder. For instance, if we have some EQ wall photos we want to upload, we can create a folder to keep things organized. Click the 3-dot icon to the right of the folder you're in. Then click Create Folder. In the folder name field, type in a name. Then click the blue Create Folder button. Click the new folder name, and now we can upload files to it. To upload files, click the 3-dot icon to the right of the folder you're in, then click Add File. You can drag and drop files in this pop-up window, or click the Click Here link, which will open your computer's file browser. To select multiple photos, click on a thumbnail while holding down the Control key. Select some photos, then click Open. If you selected the wrong file, you can click the trash icon next to its name to remove it. Before you can upload your photos, you have to select a category. Click the drop-down menu, and in this case, we'll select Installation Photos. Now you can click the blue Upload button. You can upload up to 50 photos at once. If you uploaded the wrong file, you can delete it by clicking on the 3-dot icon to the right of the file name. Click Delete, then click the blue Confirm button. If you want to rename a file, you can do that by clicking the 3-dot icon to the right of the file, click Rename File, change the name of the file, then click the blue Confirm button. To move a file, click the Gallery View icon to the top right of the file preview. Click the checkbox in the thumbnail of the file you want to move. You can select multiple files, or to select all, click the Select All checkbox. Click the blue Move button, In the Move Files pop-up, select the folder you'd like to move the files to, then click the blue Confirm button. To download files, select the file or files you want, then click the download link to the right of the Select All checkbox. Then save the zip file to your computer, and you're done. To rename a folder, you can click the three-dot icon next to the folder name, click Rename Folder, change the name of the folder, then click the blue Confirm button. To get out of the gallery view and back to the project, click the client's name to the right of Project Pipeline. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. If you liked this video or if it helped you learn Project Sunrise, make sure to subscribe to the Freedom Solar Power Software Team YouTube channel to easily access more tutorials like this one and get updated when new ones are released.